3D printed camper, a revolution in sustainable travel. This 3D printed camper is crafted from 7,500 recycled plastic bottles, making it both eco-friendly and ultra-light at just 400 kilograms. Its walls, only 9mm thick, keep it sleek yet strong, thanks to fiberglass reinforcement. Worried about rough roads? No problem. This camper is built to withstand adventure. Despite its compact size, it offers a cozy interior with a functional kitchen and enough space to sleep up to 3 people comfortably. The best part? It's designed for ultimate efficiency without sacrificing durability. With a price tag of $113,000, it's a futuristic blend of innovation and practicality, ready to hit the road sustainably. The Gozni Tread is a game changer for outdoor cooking. Imagine firing up a pizza oven anywhere, campgrounds, tailgates, even your backyard. This powerhouse hits 500 degrees Celsius in just 15 minutes, meaning blistered Neapolitan-style pizzas in no time. Done eating? It cools down in 20 minutes, so you can pack up fast. Unlike other ovens, it runs on standard propane, no special fuel needed. At 13.5 kilograms, it's built for portability, yet Gozni claims it's the most portable pizza oven on the market. Whether you're crafting artisan pizzas under the stars or elevating your backyard cookout, the Tread delivers pro-level results anywhere. So, oven or wagon, your call. Space Camper Bike, the ultimate mobile adventure. Built on the Rees & Miller Load 75 cargo bike, the Space Camper is a game changer for explorers, remote workers, and nomads. Its powerful electric motor assists on long rides, reaching speeds of 45 kilometers per hour. But even with the best battery, expect 60 kilometers per charge. Camping or working on the go. Unfold the built-in bed without leaving the seat. Add an inflatable mattress for extra comfort. Need a desk? A fold-out table attaches to the handlebars, transforming it into a mobile workstation. Whether it's off-grid camping or a scenic office with a view, the Space Camper blends transportation, shelter, and workspace like never before. Would you invest $10,000 in this innovative ride? FLIR Scout PS24, your ultimate thermal vision companion. See the unseen with the FLIR Scout PS24, a thermal imaging powerhouse made for hunters, hikers, and wildlife enthusiasts. Spot animals up to 315 meters away in total darkness or dense fog. Its user-friendly design fits perfectly in your hand, thanks to a non-slip coating that ensures a secure grip. Weighing only 340 grams, it's light enough for extended treks without fatigue. Need all-night performance? The 5-hour battery life keeps you scanning, and it even charges via a car cigarette lighter. Perfect for road trips. Sure, $1,066 isn't cheap, but the clarity, portability, and reliability make it worth every penny. Whether tracking prey or exploring the wild, why settle for less when you can see everything? Z-Triton, the ultimate amphibious adventure. Explore land and water without limits. Z-Triton seamlessly transforms from an electric mope into a small boat in just 5 minutes, perfect for long journeys or weekend getaways. Powered by a dual electric propulsion system, it covers 31 miles on land and 12 miles on water per charge. Solar panels extend your adventure, while GPS, USB ports, and climate control keep you connected and comfortable. Designed for 2 people, it offers a cozy space to move, rest, and even work, thanks to a fold-up table and built-in plant pot. Navigate effortlessly from the cabin and enjoy every moment in this innovative, self-sufficient escape pod. Why choose between land or water when you can have both? Tired of sore legs and shaky knees after every hike? These high-tech Mo Pants are actually a wearable exoskeleton. Yes, like sci-fi for your legs. They reduce your load by 13 kilograms and give you powered support on steep climbs and rocky trails. Imagine hiking longer, faster, and pain-free. No fatigue, no limits. It's like giving your legs a second wind with every step. This is the future of outdoor adventure. Ready to wear now for those who never want to turn back early again. Your pets deserve camping comfort too. The King Camp Pet Tent pops up in seconds, no tools needed, and fits everything from corgis to golden retrievers. With mesh sides for airflow and tear-resistant material, It's built for the wild and ready for naps. Even cats love it. And the biggest version is just $70. How cozy can camping get for your furry friends? What if your power station followed the sun like a sunflower? Meet Iris, the smart solar tracking tech that captures up to 270 hours in just a couple of sunny days. Charge your laptops off-grid, rain or shine. It's even snow-resistant. Weighing just 6 kilograms, it's ultra-portable and ridiculously efficient. No more tilting panels or guessing angles. Iris does it all automatically. Isn't that the kind of freedom every camper dreams of? When trails turn wild, mud, thorns, puddles everywhere, you need Z-Pak's calf gaiters. They shield your laces, keep your feet dry, and block out debris like a pro. Made from abrasion and tear-resistant fabric with water-repellent coating, these gaiters are built tough. Choose ankle or full calf protection, $70, $80, and hike like nothing can stop you. Why risk soggy socks and scratched legs? Why settle for just light when you can bring the whole vibe? The Kren lantern blasts out 1,000 lumens, offers 25 lighting modes, and even has a Bluetooth speaker with 360-degree sound. Dance, chill, or explore. The 5,000 mAh battery lasts up to 36 hours and even charges your phone. Its beam reaches 240 meters. Light, sound, power. This isn't just a lantern, it's a full-on camp upgrade. Need a sink, shower, or water on demand? Anywhere you camp. The ND water pump turns lakes and streams into your personal water supply. Just like that. It pumps up to 3 meters high, delivers 2 liters per minute, and fits right in your backpack. For just $62, you get instant pressurized water wherever you go. No plumbing, no stress. Clean dishes, rinse off, or fill bottles like you're at home, but in the wild. Built for elite Italian forces, and now in your hands. The Extrema Ratio SERE2 GOI is a $790 beast forged from cobalt alloy Austrian steel, hardened to 58 Rockwell. That means it stays razor sharp and shrugs off brutal lateral stress. With a dual-edged blade, serrated side, and built-in strap cutter, this isn't just a knife, it's survival-grade precision. Ready for the wild or the worst. One gadget that's a fan, flashlight, water pump, air pump, and more. The camper kit is a total game changer for outdoor lovers who hate packing a dozen tools. Snap on the right attachment and boom, you've got what you need when you need it. The design is brilliant, the size is compact, and the $30 basic kit gives you serious utility. Want it all? Go full kit for $239 and never get caught unprepared again. An inflatable tent? Tested in the freaking Alps at 2,500 meters. The Exod Air Station Padi 01 fits in a backpack, then explodes into a 4.2-meter luxury lodge in just 5 minutes with a hand pump. Windproof up to 25 mies per sec and roomy enough for 4 people, this beast laughs at harsh weather. It's not just a tent, it's a fortress of comfort on the go. An $80,000 camping trailer, but wait till you see what it does. The vast travel trailer has a retractable kitchen, a lounge that turns into a bedroom for 4, a built-in bathroom, and even 600 watts of solar power. Got kayaks or skis? No problem. Its gear racks are ready to roll. It's like a luxury apartment that follows you into the wild. Who knew off-grid living could feel this epic? A projector the size of a beer can that streams full HD for 2.5 hours straight. The Anker Nebula Capsule 3 packs 1080p brilliance, booming 8-watt sound, and every connection you could want. HDMI, USB-C, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Control it from your phone or remote and turn any campsite into a cinematic escape. It's tiny, it's powerful, it's magic in your backpack. Bears can smell food from 3 kilometers away. 3. That's why these bear-proof canisters are a must in the wild. For just $56, you get airtight, odor-blocking protection for your food, leftovers, and even scented soap. With a modular design and two size options, 11.3 or 6.4 liters, you're covered for any trip. Peace of mind in bear country? Totally worth it. Struggling to hike through snow without slipping? These Quechua snowshoes are a game changer. With just 3 simple straps, no annoying adjustments, you're ready to conquer winter trails fast. Up to 90 kilos of support means serious stability, and those 6 metal studs? They grip the snow like magic, even when it's packed tight. All this for just $74. Why settle for shaky steps when you can stride with confidence? Love the open road but hate giving up comfort. Goose is the ultimate camping kit, built by bikers for bikers. It packs a tent, mattress, sleeping bag, and foam mat into one compact roll and sets up into a cozy shelter for you and your bike. That's right, part of the tent attaches to your motorcycle, keeping it dry and protected from the rain. For $473, it's freedom, comfort, and smart design, all in one ride-ready bundle. Want to keep your drinks ice cold for 10 whole days without plugging in or charging? The Roll R60 wheeled cooler does exactly that. No outlets, no batteries, just pure, lasting chill. With a massive 57-liter capacity, you can even fit champagne bottles for those special moments. And those 9-inch pneumatic wheels? They roll smoothly over sand, dirt, or grass. No more dragging or getting stuck. Ready to upgrade your camping comfort like never before. No fire? No problem. The SunGood XL solar oven heats up to 200 degrees Celsius in just 15 minutes, all with pure sunlight. Cook a full meal for up to 8 people. No smoke, no sparks, no fuel. Just clean, quiet solar power. Say goodbye to soggy matches and burnt clothes, and hello to the smell of real food, off-grid, anytime. At $445, it's the tastiest way to go green on your next adventure. This isn't just a compass, it's your trailside lifesaver. The PropMex Neptune points you in the right direction and protects you from carbon monoxide, CO2, and UV radiation. It even gives real-time safety tips like stay in the shade or apply sunscreen. With built-in temperature and humidity alerts, it helps you avoid heat stroke or frostbite. And at night, it's a flashlight too. All that for $100 with a battery that lasts 3 days. Safety smarts and survival in your pocket. Imagine lugging a heavy backpack with aching legs. Then you switch on the Densys X1 and suddenly feel unstoppable. This exoskeleton slashes your load by a whopping 38 kilograms. It conquers rough terrain and lets you run at 27 kilometers per hour like it's nothing. All on a single charge that lasts 25 kilometers. And it only weighs 1.66 kilograms. Seriously, how is this even real? Imagine your camping clothes feeling as fresh as an alpine morning, without a single outlet in sight. Meet the Treklean wash bag, just $49 and folds to the size of your hand. But don't let the size fool you. It's roomy enough to wash underwear for 3 people at once. Plus, it doubles as a waterproof backpack. How is this tiny wonder changing the camping game? Craving ice cream by the campfire or an ice-cold beer on a scorching afternoon? The Chillbee SofaChill backpack holds 22 2-liters of your favorite food and keeps it icy cold for a jaw-dropping 42 hours on a single charge. It can chill down to -5 degrees inside. No more warm snacks or lukewarm drinks ruining your adventure. This is next-level camping coolness you didn't know you needed. Meet the Zucro insulated water jug, part thermos, part sports bottle, all game changer. Holding nearly 4 liters, it keeps your drinks hot for 20 hours or ice cold for a staggering 48. With a spout and straw, it's perfect for campers, athletes, or anyone on the move. Who knew staying hydrated could be this effortless? Just $38 to upgrade your hydration game. The SmartStick X isn't just a trekking pole, it's a Swiss Army knife on the trail. Imagine a built-in light that lasts 10 hours on one charge, a stun gun for safety. It even transforms into a tripod and powers your devices with a USB port. Need a mini fan? Attach it. This all-in-one tool changes the game for hikers and campers alike. Can you believe how packed with features this is? Why freeze or fumble with outfit changes in your tent? The Polar Knapsack is a sleeping bag that transforms into a cozy puffy jacket in minutes. Stay warm down to -1 degree Celsius, move freely, and still sleep in total comfort. Even the largest size weighs just 1.3 kilograms. It's warmth, convenience, and style, all in one genius design. The Stovigo is a beast in a box, grill, oven, and stove, all packed into one spacious case. Cook 9 burgers at once or bake a pizza in just 5 minutes. It cranks up to 250 degrees Celsius, perfect for sizzling bacon or juicy sausages right at your campsite. Fast, powerful, and built for food lovers who won't settle for basic. In seconds, the kitchen cruiser unfolds from a simple box into a full-on field kitchen. Stove, sink, prep area, all the essentials you'd find at home packed into one compact camping setup. Weighing just 19.5 kilograms, it lets you cook like a pro, right in the middle of nowhere. Ready to turn your wild campsite into a gourmet kitchen. Why suffer through freezing nights or blazing heat while camping? The EcoFlow Wave 3 transforms your tent into a climate-controlled haven in just 15 minutes. Crank it up to a cozy 30 degrees Celsius or chill it down to 16 degrees Celsius. You're in control, no matter the weather. It's fully portable, charges in 8 hours, and packs serious cooling or heating power into one sleek unit. This isn't camping, it's comfort without compromise.